I have 3 jobs right now. I work here at Adobe, and then I also teach at CCA, and then I'm also a musician, for which I don't get paid. But yeah, I'm a musician, so I write songs and I perform them with my guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4. For me, teaching fuels my work here and my general design career because it's so fun to watch their creative process from a distance. It's inspiring as a creative person to watch someone go through that journey and then come out with this like beautiful product at the end. You have to make mistakes in order to get to the right thing, and it's still really hard to share that early work, but I make mistakes all the time, and that's why I'm on a team. I'm a huge fan of XD, and so to be a member of the team is a real honor, not only because I love the product, but because the team that creates it is so high quality. Everybody sort of helps each other get to that great design.